that thing on?
Uh-huh. I haven't got the new drums on here yet.
You got the camera. I had to go what's natural.
I really wonder about you some days.
You gotta back up and pan on this.
Get a good view of that
Oh, he's done.
The 3-second wonder doesn't again.
Don't show this to nobody, I'll fucking kill you. Look at the little drums.
Look at the little set.
Get away from me.
Look at him just working tough, working hard. Ooh. Ooh, new wireless microphone.
That's the whole reason why you got that, just to walk around.
Oh. Wait, where's the other mic at?
It's in the box still.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's all packaged up. There's a new mic in there.
Yes. Okay, next week even worse.
Oh man. Wait till we get Aaron. Woo, coming out of the shower with a hoey or something.
Oh,
A hoey?
you guys, is that where it is?
Oh, in Olathe. I thought you were talking about Waverly. No, the all new one in Waverly.
There I haven't been yet either.
I think
Oh, that juice bar?
Yes.
No,
Shakers.
my brother went. He said it's all 18-year-old kids.
No shit.
Yeah, there's a bunch of bikes parked outside and shit. Hey,
Hey.
oh shit.
Right into it.
My eye.
You're right.
And the rest of the
Check. Hey. Check. 1, 2. Hey.
Okay, go ahead.
Check. 1, 2. Hey. Hey. Check.
Alright, on your way.
Checking the buyer.
Wait, you put the battery in that?
Check in what? In the buyer? There is no battery, my friend. Have a little low end there, Paco de Mayo. Check 1, 2. Old Redbeard the pirate back there on monitors. 1, 2. A lot of low end. A lot of low end.
Need it or?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Check 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep going with the lows. Check 1. Hey, hey. 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 2. Hey, hey. Ah, check 1, 2. Maybe a little more lows. You got a lot of lows in that? Check. Sure don't sound like it. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Check 1, 2, 2. Oh, good sounding monitor. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
Check 1, 2. 1, 2. This
A little piece of tape like that.
You want an NG dance floor all
No.
tape or what?